let's say I have that the, what is it, MacBook Pro cost, let's say $1,500. MacBook Pro, so laptop. You can just get a Chromebook for $100. That's true. That's true. But it doesn't have an Apple sticker on it or an Apple icon.
You can buy one.
It is on sale for 25% off. So question number 1. How much do you save? Question mark. Question number 2. What is the new price? This is how your test is formatted. Question 1, question 2. Sometimes, though, I'm tricky and I ask you just the answer for number 2. So be careful, read it carefully, okay? If I ask you for just the answer for number 2, you still have to do number 1, right? You still have to figure this out and then this. If you want to do the shortcut, you can. The shortcut I taught you yesterday. If you want to do the old school way, you know, the way we learned it on Tuesday, do that. So what's our first step?
You divide by 0.7.
Okay. So 1,500 times, I'm doing it the old school way. But make sure, whatever way you do it, I need answers for these 2 questions. How much do you save and what's your new price? You can use the shortcut, but figure out, well, how much do you save?
The first question, you just
subtract it.
Yeah. So when you, go for it. So point 25, we're going to do that, and that's going to give us our answer for the first part of how much do you save, right? 5 times 0 is 0, 5 times 0 is 0, 5 times 5 is 25, carry the 2. 5 times 1 is 5 plus 2 is 7. Okay, this is not my answer, right? Because I still have to multiply by 2. Yeah, and I still get kids forgetting about the placeholder. 2 times 0 is 0, 2 times 0 is 0.
What's the point of the placeholder?
10, carry the 1.
Because 5 times 2 is 10, carry the 1, 2, 3. The placeholder is because when you're multiplying by 2, you're not really multiplying by a 2. You're really multiplying by a 20. Because the 2 has a value of 20, right? It's in the, it's in the tens place. So that's like your tenths value. That makes it a 20, sort of. 0, 0, 5, 7, and 3. Move the decimal 2 times. So how much do I save?
375.
So that would be the answer I type in if the question says, how much do you save?
Oh, God. 375.
Okay?
If it says what is the new price, you just subtract. How much do you save?
So if the question says, how much do you save? That's when you multiply with the actual percent that they give you, and that's your how much you save. Okay? Now, if the question says, what's your new price? Then you have to do step number 2, which is to subtract. Now, again, some of you are doing it shortcut way. At the end of the day, we're both going to have to get the same answers, right? No. This, if I were to give you, Jesus, 2% up here, then you would do 4 steps. But I only give you 1%. I think, let's say there's 10 problems. I think there's less than 10. 2 of them are double discount, and the rest are single discount. So most of them are single discount because we spent more time on singles. What do we get? 5, 2, 1, 1. So your new price is 1,000. Very good. That's your new price. Okay. Are we okay? I think the steps are easy. Multiply, subtract. Where we go wrong is this. Like, do you know how to do 5th grade math? Then there you go. The 7th grade math is easy. Like step 1, multiply. Step 2, subtract. It's the, do you know how to borrow? That's where it gets you messed up. But, you know. Anyways. All right. Do you want to do a double discount?
Yeah.
Let me rewind the video where I said it 2 minutes ago.
Oh.
Like, if there's 10 problems, I know 2 of them are double discount and the rest are single discount. I think there's 10 problems. All right. So what are we gonna buy? What are we gonna buy? What are we gonna buy? Oh, Jordans. Jordans are these really famous shoes. Okay, Jordan shoes, Nikes.
The Nike Subways.
Huh?
The Nike Subways.
There's such a thing?
Yeah.
What? Like Subway? Or, and they're really expensive. $300.
What?
It is on sale for, let's say, 20% off plus
Why are shoes so expensive?
30% off.
You can literally just get some on a wire. On a what? People throw their shoes on a wire. Oh yeah. Why do you get electric?
Yes.
You're not touching
that
the ground.
if you see- Mr. Melly,
Yes.
do you know that if you see
It was called the
shoes
jumper.
on a line, on those electrical lines, that means there's a
Oh.
drugstore there.
Not mine.
Wait, what?
Maybe you just don't know about this.
Okay. Let me double check your quiz. Hold on.
Andrea, what are you gonna say about that? What?
Okay, so for double discount, I just ask you for the new price. I don't ask you for how much do you save.
Oh, for real? I said oof instead of off.
What is the new price? So if you want to use the shortcut, you can, because I don't ask you how much you save for this one. What is the new price? Question mark.
Nike Dunks. Can we put it in the old way?
You can do the old way, 4 steps,
Nike Dunks. The new price?
or so this would be a 4-step, or if you know the shortcut, you can cut it down to 2 steps. Whatever you want. I guess I'll do it the long way.
Yeah.
4 steps.
You said yay. Me? No. Oh wow, this is a lot. How did you not so fast? You're right. Oh, what the? Oh my! I just looked away for like 2 seconds. What? You're talking to a math pro.
This math, yes. If I go into the geometry class, I'll be like, wait, what? What are you guys doing?
Yeah, it's like
Remember, for next year, we have 3 options for you guys. Standards, honors, and geometry.
geometry. How'd you get 140? What's the difference?
I mean, did I do it right? Did you guys get that this answer?
No. I wanted to do geometry. How'd you get 140? I got 240 on the second one. I get 240.
I got 240 also.
Good job. I did this mistake to see if you would catch where I got my mistake. Good job. I would not make a mistake while recording myself. How embarrassing would that be?
No, you were a math pro. Super embarrassing. Right when we were saying you were a math pro.
I know. Thank you.
Yeah.
I obviously know. You see, this is what happens when I don't borrow and show my work. I borrowed in my head incorrectly.
Well, yeah, then you're done with that.
The math pro.
That should have been early.
Oh,
Good.
ouch. Can we please, are we going to be able to use our notes? Just this one test for a new semester?
What?
Or we already did. What if there's a harder subject test? You're wasting the opportunity. Oh, but it's us.
I did that on purpose. Okay, kids. Obviously I know.
Really? That question was so easy.
But honestly, you know why I messed it up? Because I didn't show my borrowing. So my brain just automatically just went 3. It knew how to borrow here, but it totally forgot to do that. And it was because I was trying to go fast, and I made a silly mistake, but then that threw off everything else. Goes to show you, like, you want to show your barring, not because, oh my God, I'm not good at math, let me show it. No, it's because then you make little tiny mistakes that can throw off everything. That's why I did that on purpose.